Pwede ba tayo magtanong? Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh, oh my gosh. Yo, it's me, Blub. And it's been a while since ang pinakalas kong video na to. It's parang half a year or several months na ako hindi nakapag-video. And today, dahil it's been a while since ang video ko, we will play Mimic Search. Parang din siyang First to Fathom na type of indie game. And it's developed by Games ZL. So before tayo mag-start, subscribe, like, and turn on notifications para wala kayong mamiss sa channel ko since I'm back again. Wag na natin patagalin. Let's start. So to, Mimic Search. Parang din siyang Fears to Fathom na laro. So, made by Games... Ooh! Hilahin na natin yung sound. Gawin natin 25. Yan. So, isa tayong police. Kasi meron tayong laptop tsaka nagdadrive. Oh, tayo magdadrive talaga. Ayan. Okay. Let's drive. Ooh. I should investigate the crime scene. How do I open the gate? Wait, how do I forgot the controls here. Hold on. So, it's E pala. Oh my gosh, kanina pa ako naghahanap ng button. Anyways. Oh my gosh. Oh, ang ganda ng parkingan. Ito yung kasama natin. Let's check. So, what have we got here? An abandoned car, a lake of blood, and no body. No valuables are missing. Huh. Probably a mimic doing its work. Yes, I think that's obvious. So, kumuha siya ng kotse tapos parang fake to go. I think the victim was driving up this road and had to stop because the engine had an issue. The victim called roadside assistance while a mimic was hiding behind a bush. So habang roadside assistance siya tumago yung mimic. That thing was probably one of the big ones. There's a huge footprint in front of the car. He didn't have a chance. Babae pala yung mimic? How old is the victim? 37 years old according to her ID. Is this area known for a mimic activity? No, not at all. But it seems like they're expanding their territory. So madami pa mimic niyan. I bet that... Okay, I'm not gonna read that. I bet that crazy mimic is still close. Probably somewhere in the woods. They're just seeing her. You're sent to take care of it? Yes, that's why I'm here. Okay. I'm not gonna read all of this, so kayo na magbabasa. Yes, I have a map, okay. Sounds good. Go at the crime scene for yourself. Will do. See you back at the station. Stay safe. Pogi mo, kuya. Okay, so... Wow, nga no. So it's fake. Let's go to the car. Pwede ba lang tumakbo? Okay. Basahin mo natin yung laptop natin. Subject briefing. Hello. A few hours ago, we received an anonymous call from someone reporting an abandoned car with a lot of blood next to it. You know what that means. Investigate the crime scene. After that drive around the city, use your map. Talk to people and ask if they've seen anything weird. We're counting you. You guys with your firearm. Don't get concerned. We are highly trained predators. Good luck. Kind regards, Nathan. Okay, Nathan. To. Where's the map? Nasaan tayo ngayon? So, titignan natin lahat ng part na yan. So, first, let's drive muna. Saan ba tayo ngayon? Let's try to drive here. Where are we? I think nandito tayo. I'm not sure. Tuloy natin yung pagdadrive hanggang mahanap natin yung pwesto. Mga pwesto. Okay, nasa gas station tayo ngayon. The only option is left, saka right. Dahil lang dito tayo, tanongin mo natin kung may nakita siya unusual. See? What can I do for you, sir? There was a mimic attack just down the road. Dang, that's bad for business. Do you know anything that could help me with the search? I haven't noticed anything weird so far. Everything is just always. As always. Really? Nothing at all? No. Only thing I know is that you should be very careful. Nowadays, they're extremely good at pretending to be human. Ba ikaw yung mimic? And they're more dangerous than ever. People say they're evolving and learning from humans. Thanks, but that is information that is already known to us. Anyway, thanks. Don't you want to buy some filler cup? I'm good, thanks. Oh, good luck with the search, officer. Ako pa naman bumili. Okay, so tuloy tayo. Mamili tayo. It's either here or here. Tingnan natin yung map. Para mas mahabang road. Okay. Dito tayo ngayon. So we can go here. Tapos, I don't know, we can go here and then here. And then punta tayo sa trailer park. Go tayo sa cabin and camping spot and then diretso. So first, here muna. Here. Let's drive. Then, I think it is. Yeah, it's a motel. You can ask people around here. Okay, ano motel siya? I cannot read. Park muna tayo. Okay. So it's the History Route 68 Motel. Ang haba. Let's go. Knock on the doors muna kung may ano. Bawal. Naka-on pala yung light natin. Bawal. Ay, ito, here. Kasi natutulog naman mga yun eh. Okay, may tao dito. Okay. You're clear. May I help you, sir? I'm here because a mimic was active down the road. Do you have anything that could help me? A mimic you can say. A mimic you say. Dang, I just hope I'll never meet one of those things. I myself haven't noticed anything weird. Baka ikaw rin mimic ah. But there's a farm east from. Oh my gosh, may nag-message. Sorry guys for the disturbance. May they help you more than I do. You could also follow the road up north. There's an area is used for camping. Road up north. So diretso tayo. Alright, thank you for your time. Thank you, bow. Meron ng kotse. Okay, here, let's go. So, sabi niya, up north. So, pwede natin puntahan ito, or farm muna, then ikot. Sige. On muna natin yung ano. Munggo pa tayo. Okay, ikot muna tayo. Go up north. It's either up north. It's either here or here. Try muna natin to. Sige. Let's go to the camping spot. Kasi dun daw yung pinaka hiding place ng mimic. Okay, nothing too unusual. Puro puno. Okay, malapit-lapit na tayo. Kaya diretso lang. Puro puno. There will be a side. Akala ko tao. Ano lang pala? Fire hydrant. Diretso lang tayo dito. Okay, farm. Okay, magtanungan tayo dito. Magtanong tayo dito. Kung meron. Pwede ba tayo magtanong? Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. May natakot ako sa'yo. May I help you, officer? Dang, you scared the crap out of me. Nakakot ako. Oh my gosh. Are you the owner of this farm? Yes, this is my property, sir. I'm here because we have reports of mimic activity in this area. Do you know anything that could help me out? Let me think for a second. Not really, I haven't noticed anything weird. But I also heard rumors about people seeing or hearing them in the woods. I personally don't fear them. I make sure to lock all doors and keep my rifle close to me. Thank you for your time. If you notice something weird, make sure to forward the information to the police. Have a good night. Good night and stay safe, officer. Ben, kuya, tinakot mo ako sa baril mo. Baka ikaw yung mimic, ah. Wala mga unusual eh. Okay. So let's go here, diretso. And then, punta tayo sa camping site. Tingnan natin kung meron dito. Okay, nothing unusual. Okay, sige. Diretso tayo sa camping site. Nakatakot pa rin ako dun ah. Ito yung farm. Go here. Then here. Donayin mo natin dito. Putan natin to. Go here. Ikot na naman natin eh. Wait, check natin yung map. Okay. Just go straight. And then I think diretso lang ata tayo. Diretso. Then here. Okay. Oh my gosh. Di pa rin ako. Pa rin ako maka-move on sa takot. Okay, I think diretso lang ata tayo ng diretso. Ng trailer park. Paikot ba? Okay, paikot. Then we can go to the camping site. Okay. And then, alright. Ikot tayo. Oop! Here. Okay. Drift. Okay, it's here. Malapit-lapit. Ano to? Um, I'm waiting for it to cool down before trying. What do you need up there? We have report. Uy, natatakot ako dito, Ab. You look unusual. That there could be mimic around this area. Do you know anything helpful? Yes, it's me. Very funny. It was a bad joke. I'll let you get away with. Uy, baka siya to. Takot. Oh my gosh. Please, wag mo ka bulin pag nag-mimic ka. Diretso lang tayo. That was weird. Tapos ikot tayo konti. We have to explore everything. Ito, trailer park. Okay. Sikutan natin. Let's go. Nice. Dendere. Diretso pa. Ba't kayo umiinom? Umiinom, ano ba yan? Okay, here. Okay, so two people are here. What the F do you want? Easy there, pal. I'm just here to ask a few questions. People don't like cops around here. Make it quick. Arte mo naman, kuya. I'm here for an investigation. A mimic was active in the area around the nearby gas station. That's where I get my beer. Ah, dang, that place too expensive anyway. Do you know anything that would be useful to me? No, I'm drinking all day. Nothing else to do around here. People here don't believe the official narrative. Yet the government uses them. Naging politician na siya. Oh. This is not true. Otherwise, you wouldn't try to neutralize them. Have you noticed anything odd in the last days? No, not at all. Everything is as always. Try luck somewhere else, cop. Good night, sir. Kasi umiinom. Ano natin si girl. Ayos. Wag. Let's check around here. Merong unusual. Wala naman. Okay. Merong unusual. Let's check them up and then punta tayo sa camping site, which is our last here and then here. Okay. Let's spin. Oop. Bunggo natin car. Okay. Tayo pupunta. Here. Ay, ikot balik tayo dito and then punta camping site. Okay. Go back. Dito ba? Or babalik tayo sa gas station. Okay, here. Diretso lang tayo. Tignan natin kung nandun pa yung guy. Baka biglang wala. Andun pa. Andun pa ba siya? Pag ikaw nag-turn ah. Diretso lang tayo. Patang cabin. Ito yung pupuntang farm. Okay. There's nothing unusual. Tasan natin yung volume. Yan. Okay, wala. Diretso pa. May nakikita tayong parang pa-curve. Oh, ba't nandito tayo? Ito yung farm. Dito pala yung farm. Boss. Ito yun yung pa-curve oh. Pa-left ba? Wait naman. Oh, this is the wrong way. Wrong way. Okay. Pa-left nga. Okay. Ooh. Wrong way nga tayo. Ooh. Okay. Wrong way. Let's just drift. Then, unahin mo natin yung cabin. Ano dito ka? Why are you out here alone? Alone. Spare change, officer? Sure, here, take this. Thank you so much. I'm here to investigate the mimic. Do you have anything to help me out? A mimic? Oh, that's bad. Really bad. I hear screams sometimes at night. You see this road going up there? I think there's a house. And the screams were coming from there. I think you should take a look. Okay. Saan? Ito ba? Baka ikaw din mag-turn, ha? Dami nung ano. So, it's either here or here. Try mo natin tong cabin since pinaka-close. We gotta be careful kasi nasa weird road tayo. There's nothing unusual yet. Not bad. Saan to papunta? Oh, a cabin. Okay. Why is the door open? Why is the door open? Hello? Where? Oh my gosh, I got a gun. Sa I gotta be careful. I got a gun. Pero di ko dapat gagamitin to muna. Oh my gosh. Parang di na yan ano eh. Parang mimic na yan eh. Is there a person there? I gotta be careful. Wait, it's not... Parang di siya sigaw ah. Nag-iiba na yung sigaw niyo. Parang nagiging chicken. Uy! Wait lang! Wait lang! Can't wait. Saan ba? It's near. Malapit dito. Uy, yun. Saan ba? Oh my gosh, this is scary. Dito ba? Oh my gosh! Namatay na sa mimic. Okay. Ah. May isa pa tong ending eh, pero for now, that's it. We will have a part 2 of this mimic search. And oh my gosh, medyo ko na-enjoy kasi medyo driving tsaka investigating na siya. But I enjoy it. Whew, dalawang jump scares. I mean, actually tatlo. But yeah, guys, we will have a part 2 of Mimic Search. But for now, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Always subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications para wala kayong makalimutan sa channel ko. And see you guys on the next video or next time. Bye!